In Predator 2, the follow-up to the cult classic Predator, we're introduced to not only the city hunter Predator, but also his clan, his tribe, the other members of the Yautja that he would travel with. These were known as the Los Angeles Hunting Party, for obvious reasons. However, they also became known as the Lost Tribe. In 1997, the Lost Tribe would arrive in LA, and the only known member of their clan to venture out on hunts was the city hunter. However, it's highly likely that the other members of the clan were also out hunting during this period of time, or just prior to the events seen in Predator 2. The Lost Tribe were led by Greyback, an infamous and aged elder predator. The Lost Tribe hid their ship under the city of LA, and amazingly, they were not discovered, even by the Otherworld Lifeforms task force, though the movements of the city hunter would be tracked by Agent Keys. The reason they became known as the Lost Tribe is, quite literally, the suits that were made of the clan were lost after production of the movie, leading to the tongue-in-cheek name, the Lost Tribe. However, in universe, it can be explained as this particular clan of predators are far more nomadic than the other members of their species, travelling from planet to planet and being more self-sustainable. The members of the clan include Greyback, their leader, Boar, Borg, City Hunter, Guardian, Scout, Shaman, Snake, Stalker, and Warrior. Interestingly, the character of Guardian has a mask that was originally designed and intended to be worn by the Jungle Hunter in the original movie. However, it was rejected in early production and as such was held back for future use. The design of the mask was reused and a new mask was created for Celtic, one of the predators in Alien vs Predator, and this mask design does seem to be a favourite despite its rejection for the original movie, as it was once again used for the character of Scarface in the game Predator Concrete Jungle. Despite being in the movie for a short period of time, in fact the scene is incredibly brief and their appearance in the movie, The Lost Tribe, lasted for mere seconds, it was the most expensive scene to make in the entire film. The Predator suits used are incredibly expensive to mould and make, and as such, their disappearance after the production would have been a massive blow. But are you a fan of the Lost Tribe? Would you like to see them come back in a future movie? Do you believe that potentially they are returning in the upcoming The Predator? As we do know, confirmed by Shane Black, a clan on Yautja Prime is angry with their champions being killed twice. So this would lead the potential that the predators we see in the upcoming movie could be a part of the Lost Tribe. Anyway, and as always though, please do let me know all your thoughts down below in the comments section. If you're new here, please do hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the world of pop culture and movie news. If you don't already, please do follow me over at Twitter and Instagram at Mr. H Reviews. And as always, I've been Mr. H, and I will catch you in the next video.